Alright, so bear with me for just a minute. The passenger side needs the most work. It still has the original door, and I have a dented passenger side front fender. I also own two brand new factory old stock doors that I'm saving for the final restoration and professional repaint. So, what if I leave the driver's side alone and temporarily transform the right side into a rally tribute car? I haven't fully talked myself into one side looking like a race car. I'm not what you'd call an extrovert, and a Peter Brock racing paint scheme would attract even more attention than a 40-year-old Japanese car that's not a pile of rust. But if I were to ever do it, this would be the time, because long term, I want to return my Datsun to the way it looked when it was new in the showroom. I'm tempted though. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.